Hello Instagram lover, if your Instagram account was hacked, this video help you to recover Instagram hacked account. First open any browser. Now type Instagram Help Center. Now search here. How to recover Instagram hacked account. Click on Instagram hacked account. Tap on here. If you think your account has been hacked, and if someone gains access to your account, or you're unable to log in, don't worry about it. Click on Visit this page and follow the instructions. Select My account was hacked option. Now tap on Next. Now identify your account with enter your username, phone number or email and follow the next instructions of Instagram support team, and get back your Instagram account.